Hi guys, it's Grayson here. So for those that don't know me, I'm Grayson. I'm a stock investor and I have experience working with an investment firm. So today we're gonna talk about how to invest our money. This video is for those beginners that want to get started to invest. Because it's a very huge topic, it's a very broad topic to talk about. So for this video, I'm just gonna concentrate on where to invest our money. So the first thing when we make investment decisions means when we decide what we want to invest, the first thing we have to do is we have to know our own risk tolerance level. Means how many risks you are able and willing to take in the financial markets. So today I'm gonna list 5 of the investment tool or the investment options you have in the financial industry today. I'm gonna list it down from the highest risk to the lowest risk, so you can decide yourself which one you want to invest to reach your own financial goal or your own investment goals. So the first one, we have stocks market. And second one, we have mutual fund, or we call it unit trust in Malaysia. And third one, we have bonds. Fourth, we have commodities. And the fifth one, we have bank deposit, which we call it fixed deposit here in Malaysia. So the first one, we have stocks market, which are the companies that are listed in the stocks exchange, and you can purchase one partial part of a ownership of the company and become their shareholder. And to become a shareholder means when the company profits, they may pay you a portion of those profits in dividends based on how many shares you have. And when the value of the company grows, their stock's price will grow as well, which is a capital gain for you for the early investor, and this is the stocks market. And the second one, we have mutual fund, or we call it unit trust here in Malaysia. Unit trust or mutual funds is just a lot of stocks they put in a basket, and you buy a part of the basket, so you are essentially a partial owner of an investment fund. We have funds like equity funds, bonds funds, commodity funds, etc. So the mutual funds are managed by a professional fund manager, and you pay him a certain small amount of money and he will manage your investment for you and reach your financial goal for you. So it's a very passive investment, but you are actually investing in the stocks yourself. And the third one, we have bonds. Bonds is actually just a money that you loan to a certain organizations, institutions, or even government bodies. So for example, if you loan your money to a certain organizations and they will give you a certificate, or nowadays they will send you a digital certificate, and they will promise you to give you back a certain percentage of returns in a certain year. For example, they could give you a 4% return in 8 years or 10 years. Or for example, they can give you a 2% interest in a shorter amount of time, let's say 4 years or 5 years. If you take bonds compared to equities like mutual fund and stocks, they will give you relatively lower returns because it is a lower risk investment. And the fourth one, we have commodities. Commodities are things like gold, silver, petroleum, oil and gas, metals, platinum, etc. Nowadays, you don't only can invest in the physical commodities, you can also invest in paper commodities in a way of trade or invest in the commodities exchange traded fund, ETF, or even in the futures. And the fifth way, which is the least risky way and probably the worst way to invest your money, is to put your money into a bank deposit, or we call it a fixed deposit here in Malaysia, which is you put a certain amount of money into a bank and allow the bank to pay back you in interest. Most of the cases, the interest rates are very low. It could be 0.2%, only up to 2.2% or 2.5% maximum. Because this is the least risky way of investing and you have to prepare yourself, it will give you the least amount of return as well. So in conclusion, I hope this video has helped you to make up your mind, or at very least to give you an idea on where and how to invest your money. And I know this video probably have not enough information to help you to decide or help you to make a investment decisions. So please, if you have any question, just drop a comment down below. I will definitely help you out within my ability. Okay, so I hope you like this video, so please give this video a like and subscribe my channel if you like to see more video like this, and happy investing.